Hi, welcome guys for next session. In this session, we will be looking into the Power Apps in the Power Platform. Okay, so this, as we seen in the last lecture, Power Apps is a one component of the Power Platform family. Okay, so what is Power Apps? So Power Apps is a low-code application development software. Okay, so what do you mean by low-code? Okay, so you don't have to write any code while developing an application. So you just need to drag and drop some components. You need to label it on the UI itself, and you don't have to code for that particular thing. Okay, and yeah, there is coding. So that code is called as the Power FX formulas. So those are really simple ones. Okay, so mostly like those formulas are like how you used in the Excel sheet formulas, right? So it is similar to that formula. Okay, so it is as simple as that, right? So that's why it is called as low code application development. Okay, Power Apps is a low-code application development software. We can say that. Okay. Hope you understood this. So there are two types of applications we can create in the Power Apps. Okay. So one is Dynamics 365 apps, and the other is Canvas app, which is known as our apps. Okay, so what is Dynamics 365 apps? So mostly these applications are pre-built applications provided by or created by Microsoft, like sales, services, marketing. So these are the different types of applications that Dynamics 365 provides to you in build. Okay, mostly. And yeah, using Canvas app you can create the custom applications as per your need. And also, yeah, in Dynamics 365 apps, these pre-built applications can be customized, or you can create your own fully customized application. Okay, and underline to Microsoft 365, you will have the database as a data vault. So Dynamics 365 apps use Dataverse as a database in the backend, and Canvas app also use Dataverse as a database in the backend. But yeah, there is option you can use other third-party databases as SQL. Also, you can work with the spreadsheets as a database for Canvas app. So you have different options to choose as your database for Canvas app development. Okay, but that is not the case with the Dynamics 365 applications. You just have to use the database as a database for Dynamics 365. So this is the um, important difference while we are talking about the difference between the Dynamics 365 and Canvas app. And also there is one difference is that Dynamics 365 applications are mostly used while there is some complex business requirements. Okay, and Canvas app is mostly used while for simple application developments. Okay, so that is also one of the difference between these two. And there is another main difference is that uh, so Dynamics 365 applications comes with a standard UI. Okay, so that standard UI will remain there only. Okay, you can't change it dramatically. Okay, and it comes inbuilt responsiveness. Okay, so it will be the responsive for any screen sizes. If you open that particular Dynamics 365 application in the mobile, then it will get adjusted to that particular screen. That means it is responsive to each and every screen by default, so you don't have to do any manual coding to make it responsive. Okay, so in Canvas app it is not responsive by nature. You have to make some manual configurations to make it responsive. Okay, so this is also one major difference. And this is not responsive. You have to make it responsive. Okay, so that is a one also major difference out of it. We have talked about the database. Okay, and let me think of if I have missed any difference of these two. Okay, and there is also one major difference, like pricing. uh, okay, so Dynamics 365 apps is costlier than the Canvas app development. Okay, so the license for Dynamics 365 is costlier than Canvas app. So this is also one difference you can consider as a difference. Okay, so how to choose which application is suitable for your requirement. Okay, so suppose you are dealing with the sales, you are dealing with the services and marketing, or suppose ERP system which is inbuilt in the Dynamics 365 and which will need minimum customization from you end, and these applications are ready to use. At that time you can go for Dynamics 365 applications, and your if you have your requirements are custom, and those are not part of this inbuilt applications, and the requirement is also simple one, not more complex, then you can go for Canvas app development. Also UI is another concern. If you want some fancy UI to get attractive UI generated, then you need Canvas app. Okay, so whenever you are focusing more on the UI rather than the functionality, then I would suggest just go for the Canvas app, as it has more capability uh, with UI creation. Okay, so yeah, Canvas app can be used that time. Hope guys, the differences between the power apps, both the power apps like Dynamics 365 and Canvas app is now clear to you. Okay, so that's all for this lecture, guys. Just we will cover our dataverse in upcoming lectures. So just stay tuned, subscribe, like to my videos. Thank you, guys. Bye.